Okay, this is my first symbolic Hieronymus machine, and I'm gonna show you how I made it. The first thing, I use this craft. This is a 10 by 10. Make paintings or MDF. Actually, it's pine. You can find it at Walmart or craft store like Joann's. I printed this that I got from the internet. This is my machine. So what I did basically was created my dial. Just got a pin like this. See, I got a paperboard, cardboard, like a thick paper. It's actually from my coffee box, and I just pinned it right here, and I created a nice dial. Let's see. Okay, I can make another one right here for you to see. I got this little piece of paper. It's thick. I'm gonna draw like a kind of a drop shape. First time I did this, I was cutting as I needed. Just cutting as I needed. So I cut. So I have another one. I just need to puncture right in the middle and put it right here. Okay. We're gonna do this. You already have a new dial. It's pretty cool. So I can use this, and then you're gonna get a photo or hair or nail of the witness. You're gonna place right here, and your wish. In this case, I'm using a Grobavoy number that's for financial abundance. Put in the sensor pad, and as power, I'm using this rock. It's an ocean jasper. It's really good for manifestation. And I'm gonna put here as the power. So this is it. I'm gonna put this right here. Then I'm going to try to sense the frequency, and when I feel the stickiness, I stop, and then it's set. You can ask your pendulum how much time you need these to act. You can just get your pendulum and do that. How many minutes or days these machines should be working towards that objective. And that's it, guys. I hope I helped you.